How to transfer TikTok data to Lemon8. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer TikTok data to Lemon8. For this, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install it. Now, you want to find the videos you want to transfer. So here, as you can see, I've got a couple of my videos here. You simply want to open whichever video it is that you want to transfer to Lemon8. Now you want to download this video to your device. For that, you want to tap on these three dots. Then tap on the Save Video option over here. If you want to transfer all of your TikTok data to Lemon8, then make sure that you do this for all of the videos in your account. Now you want to optimize your videos for Lemon8's format. Lemon8 emphasizes on detailed description and polished visuals. You can use tools like Canva, CapCut, or InShot to resize, enhance, and add subtitles to your videos. Now, you want to open the Lemon8 app on your device, create an account and set up your profile. Then you want to tap on the plus button to create a new post. Select the video files from your device. Now you can share your videos on Lemon8 and engage with your followers. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.